Okay, this is a video about Adv 150 compared to BMD 150. The cool features about this thing is you can go to idling, lights. In a way, it's much more high tech. Wait, see, a remote. Straight up on this thing. How do we on it? Okay, there you go. Check out the, okay, cannot start like this. Now let's see the difference between a BMD. There's no idling. This thing have idling. The shocks. See this. They have a big box. It's pretty big. Good for your helmets and stuff. And then try the fuel. See? Seems cooler. Mold. It have a USB port. See? You can use it. But this crap got nothing. It's more expensive, but features nothing. And you can have a good windshield. Just so from my point of view, BMW, this Adv shit, this is worked. The city rides and everything, it's more comfortable. This is just high price, not that good. Not that good, I will say. Maybe aesthetically it's okay, but look at this. Aesthetically, this is much better. So I think I want to ride this thing instead of the seat height and everything. It's better. Okay, that's my view.